Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrying Bus Sydney. I got this Audi again that I finished doing the actual coil yesterday on this car here. So everything is running normal now. There's no more running rough. Engine light's not coming on, and the splutters from the back exhaust smells like fuel, like that. Very bad misfire. So that's sorted out. Like I said to you yesterday, I saw that hose there. So luckily I saw that, so I can actually get that repaired. So some of the stuff at the front here has to come off here like that, so I can actually take that hose off from here. And now I'm going to clean that, take that off, all the stuff inside there. There's a little black plastic inside there. That's still part of this one here. It's broken off here. They don't break off here, they break inside there when you remove it. So it's a 50-50 every time you try to remove it. This one here is alright, so that one went back. But this one here, luckily this one here is the only one. See how you see that? Someone, that was broken before. Someone done some work before on this car and probably broke this hose. I'm not sure who done it, but I'm just showing you guys. I mean, it's okay. You can still repair it like that. A temporary repair, it's alright to get the customer by until the new parts arrive. If you're really busy. But I'll show you how the hose should look like. Alright, that's a repair one. Now I've got my new hose, which is this part here. Excuse me. And I've got the other hose here, which is this part here, without that. So they just join on to this one here, and then that part there join to the bottom. Alright, so that's a repaired hose from before, and that's the new one I've got. Alright, so you can see, goes like that, and then that part there goes in the bottom. Alright, let me clean that up. So after this I'll put everything back together. I've got to clean the car. I've got to vacuum bleed the cooling system, put some coolant in there, because every time you take all these hoses off here, the bottom one here there, I blocked it off with that part there in red. Get some coolant leak from the car as well, so you need to bleed it properly, otherwise it will overheat again. Alright, so let me get that done, and then I'll do another video when I finish the whole complete job. That's why every time I do a job, I try to look at everything in the car, just in case I find something that's going to break off or ready to break off, so I can inform the customer. Alright, just don't do just one. If you're doing one part, make sure you look at the whole car completely, just in case you can see something that's nearly broken or something like that that's already loose. So you can repair it, otherwise it will come off and give the customer more problem on the road. Anyway, let me do that first and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the like button for me, the likes button, so I can actually get some more views around on YouTube.